Right, so let's get into making a video. What shall we do? What shall we do? It's springtime or it's early January. I talk to a lot of golf guys. I love golf and I talk to a lot of golf people. So I want to do a video that maybe gets people golfing, something that'll get people to my golf course, right? Get out and golf, something like that. I want to do a sort of a Facebook ad stroke YouTube video. So I'm just gonna type in here golf, right? So obviously, moon landing might be a moon landing. For me, golf is a out of this world experience. I kind of like this, right? Join our beautiful golf club. That's literally, and I didn't plan that. That's not a bad thing to go, right? There's not a lot of things I have to change there. Here we go. Life is simple. Eat, sleep, and play golf, right? Right. So you can go through categories, you can go through a lot of things, you can see a lot of videos. There's a lot of different types of things that you can change, right? Or you could just start from scratch. But I quite like that moon landing one, right? Because I don't think, for what I just said, I want to get lots of people out golfing. So let's just preview it again. So I want to get a lot of people out golfing. For me, golf is an out-of-the-world experience. Come and join our golf club, right? It's pretty much, that's all I want it to be, really. So I'm going to click here, customize, and it's going to load up that template for me. Right, it's going to add my logo that I've already added, so it knows that this is my logo. So it's already added that for me, and then it's just going to load up when this plays. You know, when does their time come in? When does that text drop in? Do I want to change these videos? Do I want to change it to a completely different video? Do I want to add a video? Do I change the pop-up style? You know, like here, do I want to make it more? It's on a ribbon. Do I want to make it this soda pop or this pop out? Click again. Come on. Pop out. I'm going to leave it as ribbon because that's what it was and move it back up, right? And I can tinker with it. I can tinker with the colours. Like, so my colours I use are blue. So I might go, in fact, this blue. So a little bit closer to my logo colour, right? Then I go here. Out of this world experience, right? So I might want to change that to something else. You can change the words. Trust me, you can change it. I mean, look, experience. You can change it to type whatever you want. I'm going to keep it like that. Out of this world. Again, I'm going to change that colour to blue. And then I'm going to go to this outro, right? Now, this outro, join our golf club. So, obviously, join our beautiful golf club. Logo here. Here we go. If you've already got your logo put in, or you can just upload your logo, but let's go here with this. Happy Me. In fact, I probably want the white one. Let's go. Oh my. I'm trying to remember where I keep all my logo stuff. Happy Me Finally. We go. Happy Me White. Is that too big? Don't think so. Here we go. Happy Me White. Add to video, right? And I can make it bigger. Drop it in. Obviously, change the number. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have actually maybe created this for a video for a golf club, couldn't I? I could have actually used my demo account. mygolfclub.com. Right. Done. That's how it's going to run. Let's preview it. Out of this world experience. Join our beautiful golf club. Oh, I want to change that line colour, don't I? I want that line colour to be. Come back. How do I change this line? There we go. Here we go. It must be this here. Let's go again here. Aha! There we go. Right. Change the music. Oh man. Music here. So that's Latina Enigma. right? You can maybe use this track instead. Save and preview. Oh, this has actually jumped me out to the preview. Out of this world experience. I don't know why he doesn't hit the ball there. Not much point if he doesn't hit the ball. Or does he? Maybe he does. So I'm pretty happy with it, right? You can share the link. So what you can do here is copy a link and then email it to somebody. What do you think of this before I post it? What do you think of any edits, any colour changes? Is it going to be worth paying £30 for this? What do you think? You can email it to somebody direct, stick it on WhatsApp, share the link. What do you think? You can go back and customize it. You can edit the video, so you can replace the video. If we might go, well, we don't want that one, but we know it's golf related. And there's a lot more videos here now, isn't there? And you may want to change. Look, you can actually use a free video. Some of these are free, some are premiums. So if you find a free video you like, 12 seconds, you can drop that in and it won't charge you for the premium videos, right? I'm not going to change it, but you can see that you could, in theory, replace the video, right? So go back. How do I get that off? Editor. Go back. I'm not going to change it because I just wanted to show you how quickly and easy it was. I didn't premeditate anything. Obviously, you can go in and change videos. There's millions of different videos, different fonts. You can change everything you want up here. And we're going to share it. We're going to share it now, right? Because I'm happy with that. Just because it's a I'll get rid of this guy. Clear. It's just an example, isn't it? It's just a way to show you how quickly and easy it is to find something and share it. So I'm going to publish it. Right? You've got one premium clip. So if you've only got one premium clip a month, it's going to say, you're basically using your clip and you have to upgrade. Unlimited use on mobile and web, fully licensed footage and music. So you can put it on YouTube, you can put it on Facebook, and you won't get copyright slammed for using the music. You cannot resell the video. So if you're looking to do this as a third-party video production, you need to look at that top tier pricing and pay quite a hefty sum to do it. But I'm happy, right? So I'm happy it's going to remove the watermark, so it's not going to say done by promo. And we are done, right? You can post it straight to Facebook. You can post it straight away. All you have to do is select a video ratio, then social channels. So you can post it straight away. We can edit as well. Make sure the video ratio you want is selected. Download your video, right? Okay, so here we go. We're going to download it. And now I'm finished. I mean, I don't know how long that took, but I've got a promo video. It's taken me 10 minutes to make. It's cost me £30. But now I've got this for life, haven't I? I can post this twice a week, social media, right? But it gets better, right?